There are two different types of filter available with methven hot tap, one of which is the carbon filter, which reduces limescale. Secondly, there is the ion exchange filter, which totally eliminates limescale. Both filters are fitted with an isolation valve. Once you've isolated it, the first thing to do is to remove the bypass clip. Secondly, a quarter turn will release the overall filter. For the ion exchange filter, once you've removed the filter from the filter housing, because it's a larger filter, you do need to use the spanners to unscrew the top. You can then unscrew by hand and remove the filter. Now you may need to empty the water in the main filter housing. This is the ion exchange filter membrane, and this part is 100% recyclable. You can send this back to us with the prepaid bag provided. Again, to replace the filter, it's a reverse of the process. Simply push the media in here, feed it back into the main housing and screw it tight. Again, just use the spanner to tighten. Once you've replaced the filter, simply reinsert into the filter housing and twist through 90 degrees. Finally, replace the bypass clip. There. Thanks for choosing methven hot tap.